So you're looking for a way to breathe easy in your home office, right? And that's where the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier comes in, a game changer for anyone who wants clean air. It's a must-have for home office users like you. This thing is a total powerhouse when it comes to purifying the air. So what is it, you ask? Well, it's a device that removes all the bad stuff from the air, leaving you with clean, fresh air to breathe. It's designed to be super efficient and effective at removing pollutants and allergens from the air, which is perfect for home office users who spend a lot of time indoors. Now let's break down the specs. It covers 285 square feet of space, which is pretty impressive, and it circulates the air 4 times per hour, so you know the air is always clean. It also captures particles as small as 0.003 microns, which is crazy small, and it has a 3-stage filtration system, which is really effective at removing pollutants. Plus, it's 30% quieter than other air purifiers, which is a big deal if you're planning to use it in a home office, and it has 4 fan speeds, so you can customize it to your needs. The 3-stage filtration system is especially noteworthy, as it includes a pre-filter, a carbon filter, and a HEPA filter, which work together to remove dust, pollen, and other airborne contaminants. I've been using it in my home office for a while now, and I can already notice the difference. The air feels cleaner and fresher. I've also noticed that I don't get as many headaches as I used to, which is a big plus. And it's not just me. My family members who have allergies have also noticed a significant reduction in their symptoms. So what's the verdict? I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's really effective and easy to use, and the fact that it's so quiet is a big bonus. I think it's a great option for anyone who wants clean air in their home office. It's also really easy to set up and use. Just plug it in and turn it on, and it starts working right away. The filter is also really easy to replace, which is a big plus. I've been using it for a while now, and I can already see the difference it's made. And the best part is, it's not just limited to home offices. It can be used in living rooms, bedrooms, or any other space where you want clean air. In fact, I've also used it in my bedroom, and I've noticed that I sleep better at night, which is a huge bonus. In the real world, this air purifier has been a game changer for me. I live in a city with high levels of air pollution, and this device has been a lifesaver. I've also used it during allergy season, and it's been incredibly effective at removing pollen and other allergens from the air. And the best part is, it's not just limited to personal use. It can also be used in commercial spaces, such as offices, restaurants, and hotels, where clean air is essential. For example, a restaurant can use it to remove cooking odors and pollutants from the air, creating a cleaner and healthier environment for customers. Overall, I'm really impressed with the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier. It's a great option for anyone who wants clean air in their home office. If you're in the market for an air purifier, I definitely recommend checking it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've used this product before. And if you're still not convinced, just think about all the benefits of clean air, from improved health to increased productivity, and you'll see why this air purifier is a must-have for anyone who wants to breathe easy.